Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to the Pepe update. Okay, so we're pumping up, we're moving up, and as far as I remember in yesterday's video, actually for the past 4 or 5 days, I've actually had my eyes on this technical target, and we are so close up to the technical target, 14,000. We're already at 13,800. So yeah, prediction, another one in the nail. Okay, this is your wall right there, this is your nail right over here, this is your hammer right over there, the nail into the wall. So everything is going as expected, and right now it doesn't really stop because I'm going to tell you where exactly we're trying to move up. So ever since on the 1 hour time frame, you've been moving up. You went up like this, you made the sideways consolidation, and you're breaking above. So the next technical target for Pepe is you take the top here to the bottom right there. Unfortunately, I didn't even trade Pepe. I don't know why I didn't do it, even though I've been talking about it's going to go up. But anyways, we're looking for Pepe to actually go up further 8.23%. Okay, so it's going to be nearly 15,000 right over there. Okay, not even 14,000 anymore. So one last move up, 8.23%. And yes, of course, since this is a continuation pattern, we don't want to come below here. So this is where your stop loss should be placed, right there, just below this area. So for the prices, people tell me the price is going to be 13,099. Okay, so 13,099 is for me the dead end. You don't want to come down here because you're destroying the pattern itself, and you're going to go even way more lower. But everything, in my opinion, is just pointing to this technical target. I've been supporting this target for quite a while right now as well. So yeah, come up. This is a stop loss. This is the trend line. So I do think we're looking to retest the trend line basically. If the maximum you can go up is, in my opinion, take this high, come up here, consolidation, move up. This is your technical target, but it would make more sense to touch this trend line at 15,863. Now the reason being is the following. Ever since you broke below the trend line, as I told you before, right, this was your consolidation here. You can say you had a 1, 2, 3 triple bottom, triple top or double top here, and this was your neckline. So what you did here with the neckline is that unfortunately you broke the neckline and you just went down. You'd never retested this line itself. So it does look like the time has come to really go back up to the retest here. Now this is where we're going to have to be careful. In other words, this is where the profit taken is also going to be, or this is where the profit taken is going to be, 14,000 or 15,000 level. So yeah, at the moment, enjoy as long as there's a trading opportunity. Just enjoy, take it. You never know what happens in the future, but this is good. At least for now, it's good for the trading purposes. For the past few days, it has been good. There was bullish divergence. The RSI was oversold. It was a good opportunity. I didn't trade, and I don't know why I didn't trade. Maybe it's because I'm not trading any Binance coin anymore, because I couldn't believe that it's going to go up. But anyways, this one did went up, so very good. I'm trading something else using Maxi as well, and the Maxi is not sponsored, but it's a good exchange. And that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.